Hi guys, I'm on Clinton Avenue East. Today is Tuesday, January 6, 2026, and the weather is rain and snow and freezing climate. And yeah, I'm navigating to the place, one of the place around here for pick up a passenger. And I'm in a sloth mood. I didn't put the standard, so I should have a maintain good speed and stuff. And it's work in the rain. Let me open my camera. Front camera, right, left, and rear. And we will say poor weather detected. FSD supers may be degraded, so it has to be more careful on it. So sometimes slips if you have good winter tire and everything's good. So I got one too. And yeah, so just has to follow this and see my destination in 6 minutes. Hands-free driving, following in good distance. And it will show up like this to pop up. Camera visibility limited. Clear all dirt, debris or water from camera. So this is a camera obviously there, but it's almost 8 cameras and stuff. So you're able to combine everything to make a good calculation. That car almost comes to my lane. Driving on 50 km/h and road. So I'm ready to take on wheels, but it's very smooth. It's doing pretty good, even like heavy rain. But make sure you're in a sloth mode, so you don't want to go too aggressive riding on it. Gonna pause few seconds and continue like. End result, this works in rain. And